Food quality and selection. Prioritizing optimal health. Nutrition and weight loss go beyond simply counting calories. The quality of the food we consume plays a critical role in our fitness journey and overall well-being. The quality of our food directly impacts our internal health, mood, and energy levels. Prioritizing high-quality foods is essential for optimal health and reaching your goals. Choosing high-quality foods offers numerous benefits. It supports a healthy gut, balanced hormones, a strong immune system, improved brain health, and better sleep. On the other hand, a diet high in processed foods can lead to chronic inflammation, digestion problems, heart disease, and high blood pressure due to excessive sugar, fat, and sodium intake. To maintain optimal health, focus on selecting natural and organic foods with minimal ingredients. Make fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins the foundation of your diet. These foods provide essential nutrients, fiber, and beneficial compounds for overall well-being. While high-quality foods may come at a higher cost and require additional preparation time, investing in your health is worthwhile. Prioritizing nutritious foods ensures that your body receives the necessary nutrients for optimal function. In conclusion, the quality of our food directly impacts our health and well-being. By prioritizing high-quality, natural, and organic foods, you can experience improved mood, increased energy levels, and overall vitality. We're excited to support you on your fitness journey and help you achieve your goals. Let's build a healthy, balanced lifestyle together. Welcome to the District.